Okay, so this is a job that we're gonna be doing in Southampton, and we're gonna be repairing. It was a leak in the ceiling, and we're gonna be removing all those old grills, and we're just gonna be having a flat ceiling with sheetrock, and we're also gonna be painting all the walls and fixing some cracks in the walls, some damage that was caused by the water. So we're gonna keep posting pictures and videos of the work. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the final finish. As we can see, the leak in the roof in this area that was affected, so it's now nice and repaired. Okay, all the cracks in the walls, we took care of it, and this is how it looks like.